Multiplication trick by 5. It involves two easy steps. The first step is put 0 on the number. So we put 0 on 46. And then step 2, 460 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, 2, 6 divided by 2, 3, and 0 divided by 2, 0. Then the answer is 230. Let's try another example. 83 times 5. Step 1, put 0 on the number as the last digit and then divide by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 30 divided by 2, 15. So the answer is 415. Let's try one more example. 781 times 5. Put 0 as the last digit of the number and then divide by 2. 7 divided by 2, that is 3. Then this will be 18. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. And then 10 divided by 2, that is 0, 5. So the answer is 3,905. 466 times 5. Put 0 on the number and then divide by 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 6 divided by 2, 3. And 0 divided by 2, 0. The answer is 2,330. Multiplication trick by 6. Now, let's try for even numbers. Divide the number by 2. So that is 1. And then copy 2. 6 times 4, divide 4 by 2. So that is 2. And then copy 4. Divide 8 by 2. That is 4. And then copy 8. So the answer is 48. In multiplying two-digit numbers by 6, involves 3 easy steps. The first step is divide the number by 2. So 28 divided by 2, that is 14. And then, step 2, from step 1, copy 14 and then add the tens place 2. So we add 2. So 14 plus 2 is 16. And then, for step 3, copy 16 and then put the last digit 8 as the last digit of the answer. So the answer is 168. Let's try more examples. 6 times 42. 42 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 plus the first digit or the tens digit 4. So that is 25. So we write 25 and copy the last digit 2. So 6 times 42 is 252. 6 times 74. Divide 74 by 2. 7 divided by 2, 3. Then 14 divided by 2, 7. Plus the tens digit 7. So that is 44. So we write 44 and then copy the last digit 4. 6 times 96. Divide 96 by 2. So 9 divided by 2 is 4. Then 16 divided by 2, 8 plus 9. So 48 plus 9, that is 57. So we write 57 and then copy the last digit 6. In multiplying 3-digit numbers by 6, we need to do the same process. 148 divided by 2. So 14 divided by 2, that is 7. 8 divided by 2, 4. And then we add the first two digits because it's 3 digits, so we need to add the first two digits, 14. 4 plus 4, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. So our first digits are 8 and 8. And then, copy the last digit 8. So 6 times 148 is 888. 6 times 424. Divide the numbers by 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then add the first two digits, 4 and 2. So 42. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. And then bring down 2. So we have 2, 5, 4. And then copy the last digit, 4. In multiplying odd numbers, put 0 on the number and then divide by 2. So 50 divided by 2, that is 25, plus the number 5. So 25 plus 5 is 30. 6 times 7, put 0 on 7, then divide by 2, that is 35, plus 7. So 35 plus 7 is 42. 6 times 9, put 0, and then divide by 2. So 90 divided by 2 is 45, plus 9, that is 54. Let's try more examples. Remember, in multiplying 6 by odd numbers, it involves 3 basic steps. Step 1. Put 0 as the last digit of the number. And then, in step 2, divide the number by 2. So 170 divided by 2, that is 85. And then in step 3, copy the answer in step 2, that is 85, plus the number 17. So 85 plus 17, that is 12, carry 1, 10. So the answer is 102. 6 times 57. Put 0 as the last digit. Then divide by 2. So 5 divided by 2, that is 2. Then 17 divided by 2, 8. And then 10 divided by 2, 5. Then we add the number 57. So 5 plus 7, 12, carry 1. 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So the answer is 342. 6 times 89. Put 0 and then divide by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 9 divided by 2, 4. And then this will become 10 divided by 2, 5. Plus the digits 89. 5 plus 9, 14, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5, plus 8, 13, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. So the answer is 534. Multiplication trick by 9 involves 2 steps. Step 1. Copy the number and then put 0 as the last digit. Then step 2, copy step 1, then subtract the number 47. This will become 10, and 7 will become 6. 10 minus 7, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, and then bring down 4. So the answer is 423. 9 times 75. Put 0, then subtract 75. So, 10 minus 5, 5. 5 will become 4. Then, this will become 14 and 7 will become 6. 14 minus 7, 7 and bring down 6. So, the answer is 675. 9 times 94, put 0 as the last digit. Then, subtract 94. 10, this will become 3. 10 minus 4, 6. Then 3 minus 9 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 9. That will become 8 and this will become 13. 13 minus 9, that is 4. Then bring down 8. So the answer is 846. Another trick for 9. So 9 times 58 involves 4 easy steps. Step 1. Copy the first digit, 5. So that will be our first digit. Step 2. Subtract the adjacent number, 8 minus 5, that is 3. And then step 3, copy the answer in step 2, then subtract 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So that will be our second digit. And for the last digit, 10 minus 8, 2. So the last digit is 2. So the answer is 522. 9 times 83. You notice that the ones digit is lesser than the tens digit. In step 1, we subtract 1 if this is the case. So 8 minus 1 is 7. That will be our first digit. Step 2, then the 3 will become 13 because we borrowed from 8. So 13 minus 8. So that is 5. And then step 3, the answer in step 2 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is the second digit. Step 4, 10 minus the last digit 3. The answer is 7. So we write 7. So the answer is 747. Multiplication trick by 11. Copy the last digit 5. And then 1 plus 5, 6. And then copy the tens digit 1. So the answer is 165. Copy 4. 2 plus 4, 6. And then copy 2. Copy 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we write 2, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. The answer is 627. Copy the digit 3. 9 plus 3, 12. So we put 2, carry 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. The answer is 1023. Let's try more examples. 361 times 11. Copy 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 6, 9. And then copy 3. The answer is 3,971. Copy 7. 2 plus 7, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. And then copy 5. The answer is 5,797. Copy 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Write 2, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. The answer is 9,284. Let's try one more example. 7,253 times 11. Copy 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And then copy 7. So the answer is 79,783.